Hey everyone, it's Deb. I'm here to do a plan with me for the week of August 6th through the 12th. And this week holds a very special day because Saturday is my granddaughter Courtney's 14th birthday. Yay, Courtney! You are growing so fast though. Anyway, I have, even though this is pink, I have picked out from my stickers these that came from Pretty Cute Planner, and if you're interested you can get stickers from her shop on Etsy as well, and I'll put a discount code below the video because I've bought from her several times and she agreed to give me a coupon code a while back. So yeah, I'm gonna do this one with the hot air balloons. I just thought it was pretty. I love the colors. Courtney likes like a teal, blue, green. And then I found this Recollections washi from Backyard Table. And it's funny because Courtney had used this pink out of it one time when I went to their house. I'm going to use the blue out of it. And probably these polka dots because they look like, you know, birthday-ish. And maybe finish this little bit of gold that's on here somewhere. And these butterflies, maybe. I'm not too sure about these. Always be, I don't know what this says even. Always be something. And then there's these bees I'm not too sure about since I found the butterflies. But let's see what this one says. Always be lovely. Yeah, I may have to use that just as a word somewhere. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and probably put the stickers down first and then the washi. That's how I tend to roll. And then I'll come back and show you what I've done, and we can pretty it up a little more if we need to. Okay, I'll be back soon. Hey everyone, it's Deb. This is what I've come up with. As you can see, I'll show you one at a time here. These stickers all came out of this quotes book from Create 365, as well as this round. And I think that's it. Everything else was from the Pretty Cute Planner, Happy Planner Balloon Ride. It's called. I didn't use everything, but I used quite a bit. I always save them because you never know. And let's see. Basically, I'm not going to write it in yet because and I had one word came out of this, what is this book called? Mom, which is falling apart actually. It's been used so much. And that was a 2 words, excuse me, celebrate birthday, because, well, I can write that in. At 12 o'clock noon is Courtney birthday cake. After which we all have to leave because her request is to go shopping at a big mall around here. But I haven't been in like ages because there's no reason for me to go over to that mall. Anyway. Okay, so Monday, when I'm doing this, it's just about done. But I don't want to write anything else in until I take pictures of this, so I just thought I'd share it. And I feel like I need something in between up here, so I might get out my stamps and stamp something again. Anyway, so I put enjoy life, eat the cake, because, you know, it's birthday time. You've got this here. These flowers were from the Pretty Cute Planner. Remember this, pointing down, all you need is faith, trust, and a little bit of pixie dust. Yes. Wednesday, I have to take Mom out of rehab and back to assisted living. Thursday, she has a follow-up appointment at the wound center, and she might have another appointment this week, but I have to call them tomorrow and find out what's going on because she has to go in for surgery. So I'm hoping I can do the date night thing with Charlie this coming Friday, but I don't know. It'll depend on what happens with Mom. And I have to be at my daughter's by noon on Saturday, so we shall see, because usually we do yard sales Saturday morning, so we'll see what happens. I don't even know what the weather's supposed to be like then. I have do the dang laundry. I like that. I put that on Thursday. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do Mom's laundry that I pick up Wednesday with her on Thursday. Usually I go back on Sunday and get more, which means more laundry. I want to start doing a meal plan on Sundays, and it's trash night, so I put a little trash can and kitty litter and stuff like that. So today, Monday, I basically didn't get much crafting done other than the card that I did a video on, and then I did the video on the Amazon haul and a little bit more organizing, but not a whole lot. And then I cooked dinner, even though my son's not home. I cooked a dinner I said I was gonna cook. I did cooking at like, I don't know, 7 o'clock at night, and I'm not supposed to. I'm trying not to eat after 6. I'm not always successful like tonight, but at least it was healthy. It was cabbage and bacon sauteed, so it was okay. And Tuesday I have a lot. Oh, and I paid bills this day. Also, my bills, I had like 8 of them or something I had to pay. Yeah, it's like the once a month, pay myself, pay all the bills, and then, except one that always straggles later. Anyway, Tuesday I want to craft. I want to craft. I have lots of things I have to craft, both cards, birthday card, some other cards for people I want to send out, and some ICs, and a pocket letter. Well, not really a pocket. Well, yes, I have a pocket letter and I have ATCs as well. So I'm kind of getting jammed up, and then I want to get all those done if I can tomorrow, which is probably not likely. So tomorrow and maybe Wednesday evening. I was hoping I had Thursday to craft, but now if I'm taking Mom to the wound center in the morning, that just kills the morning, the whole morning. So I don't know if I'll be able to craft Thursday even after I get back or not, because doing all that running around quite honestly drains me. I'm like zombie-ized once I get back from that. So I don't know. I'll see. Sometimes coming up here just helps me get over that, and sometimes I'm so tired I can't even think about coming up the steps to craft. So we'll see. And then Friday is kind of dependent on what happens on Thursday. And Saturday is birthday time. Happy birthday to Courtney. I can't believe she's going to be 14. She's going into high school. And the youngest one, Haley, is going into kindergarten. She was in pre-K last year, so this is the big girl all-day kindergarten thing they have. And Sunday, whatever I don't get done Tuesday and Wednesday night will have to happen on Sunday, except that Sunday's usually the day I go see Mom to take her clothes and pick up clothes, but that will be closer to me than where she is right now, unless something comes up between now and then. I don't know. Okay, that's enough, guys. I'm not going to bore you with any more of that. It's enough. I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, as everybody keeps saying. You know what? I really do not like that terminology. It really stinks if your name is Debbie, and that's probably one of the reasons I don't like Debbie. For me, I like Deb, because I really just don't like that. You know, the whole Debbie Does Dallas, Debbie Downer, all these things. Why did they pick that? Just because it flows, I guess. I don't know. So anyway, alright guys, that's enough chit chat. talk to you in the next time, and I will be back with one more video, and it will be a Stampin' Up video. I am trying to get that going, and yeah. Alright, I appreciate y'all. I'm also trying to get back into my jewelry, and I had hoped to be doing that last Thursday. That didn't work out because Thursday I ended up having to go be with Mom. Anyway, alright, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.